super science men, we're going to do some science about enzymes.
Keep going.
The first step is to dilute hydrogen peroxide from 3% to 2.1%. So you put 3 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide and 7 milliliters of water. Okay, hold the thing, super science man. Tell me when it's at 3.
Okay. So keep going. No, I get just like keep it out.
Stop shaking it, super science man. Is it at 3? Now? That's perfectly at 3. Super science man uses super science skills to stop it at 3. Now we gotta get some water. If you're not near a sink, you can just use any type of container as a water scoop from your water bucket. Now 3 plus 7 is 10, so when the line gets to 10, super science man is gonna tell me when to stop. Okay. Woo! I'm gonna put this aside for now. Super science man, you wanna tell me what's next? Oh, right. This bad boy is gonna go upside down for some water displacement. So, me and super science man are gonna fill it with water in our water tub. Why is it not getting filled? Alright. And then you put it into the clamp and make sure that the bottom is still underwater. Super science man, you want to use your super science strength to turn this knob?
In the middle. Okay, in the middle. Right?
Thank you, super science man, for your help. We don't want to break any tools because science safety is important. In case you're wondering, super science man is not wearing goggles because he has X-ray vision that protects his eyes. Okay. Step 3.
And now we're at 32.
We're gonna put this yeast, which is full of enzymes, into the graduated cylinder. We need how many milliliters, super science man? 10? 10? How many? 3. 3 milliliters. So we take it out of the yeast jar. You want to hold that for me, super science man? Tell me when it's at 3. Oh, don't get it in your X-ray eyes. Oh yes, this is a living creature. Ah! Ah! Is it at 3? We're at 4. So no. So we're gonna. This is okay. Mistakes happen. We're at about 4.5, so we're gonna pour a tiny bit back. Super science man is taking a super science shower at the moment. It's all right. Just pour it back. It's all good. Boom! We're at 3. We have all of our materials ready to go. Throw these away carefully. Dispose of them properly. Put this living yeast aside for the moment. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna explain this first. So this is, when we put this yeast with the hydrogen peroxide, it's gonna make a reaction, and carbon dioxide is a reactant, so that's gonna be air. When we put it in here, air is gonna shoot through this hose, and we're gonna put it in here, and we'll see how much air, and that's where we see from the water displacement. You time it every 30 seconds to see. So, super science man, you want to put the hose up into this inverted graduated cylinder. Yeah, here. Just shoot that hose up there. All right. Do we record this? We always record this because we record everything in science. So get your timers ready.
Hello, I've got my pal Allie here from the Super Science Man, and we're ready to take on day 2 of completing this lab.
We're ready to science. We have all of our materials portioned out.
Sciencing, it's fun. Alright, we need to...
Okay. Yes. Okay. So we're gonna put the rubber tube in first. This works.
important message. Don't apply pressure to the top because it'll cause the water to...
So right now we're going to take note that it is at 20.
Exactly. Wow.
Yep. And then every time air from this reaction goes up, the water level will go down because of water displacement. So every 30 seconds you need to mark what level it's at.
With your timer.
With your timer or phone of something of this matter. Okay, I think
we're ready.
we're ready to go.
Ready to start this reaction.
You ready, Katie?
This is big news. All right, ready?
And starting the timer.
And we
Look at those bubbles.
Wow, quickly going down. An important note, if your reaction does not react, unlike ours really reacted, you can always shake the tube and it'll
You
cause
can't
the
be
water
as good
to
as
go
us
down.
on your first try.
Honestly.
It's just we have the help of Super Science Man. He really got us through.
Motivates us.
We're at 20 seconds, so in 10 more seconds we're gonna mark the water level. It's a big jump in the first 30 seconds.
Mm-hmm. Definitely. I'm proud of our reaction.
Stopped right now. 30 seconds. Okay, we're gonna mark down that it is at 43.
Impressive.
So that is a jump of 23 milliliters of air in the first 30 seconds.
Good subtraction.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's probably going to be the most drastic.
Definitely.
If you want to get a little more precise, you can do it every 10 seconds or every 15 seconds. The intervals aren't a huge deal. You're going to just be finding the rate afterwards. You can shake the reaction, make it jump around a little more. We're at another 30 seconds, and we're at 45, so that's another 2 more. Gonna call this a day and go find some rates.
Yeah, rate. Love
Katie,
it.
you want to have a rate date?
I would love to have a rate date.
Rate date.
Rate date.
All right.
Don't be late to my rate date.
Bye. Math. All right, I think we're ready to go. Where did all the water go?
Now it's at 3.
And whoops.
Got it.
Forget
And now you measure out 6 grams. And now
You
can
suck.
edit it out. Well, you can edit it out. I don't know how to edit a video. What do you think you want? We'll figure it out.
We
Blessing.
How you fix that?
Is it the air from this? Is that what? God,
You're an idiot.
are you supposed to like? Is there a cover for this or something?
Now
You know that air works. It's one atmosphere.
I didn't think that this air would.
That's good though. Forget science.
Rate.
All right, let's wrap this. Ah!